Hey people, what's going on? G-Man here. I know, but you guys should know that my videos are pretty much the same stuff going on. GM or Mopar, that's what we do. That's what I do. Anyway, we got another misfire. This time it's on bank 1. It's a rare thing, but I did a leak down test. The exhaust on number 5 failed, misfire. You can see the port from here. Usually on bank 2, 246 is the head that we always change. 135 is usually an ignition coil. But anyway, we just got everything marked. We're gonna pop the chain, the phaser off, take the head off. I got a brand new head to put on. All right, guys, Penta stuff. This one's in a Ram. Any questions, hit me up. G-Man out.